Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best curved nail scissors is probably one of the most underrated grooming tools out there. These scissors are designed to give you the perfect nail shape and length with ease. They are specially designed to provide precision and ease when trimming nails. If you're tired of struggling with clippers or other tools, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and find out why these scissors are a game changer for your nail care routine. Number 5. LIVINGO Premium Manicure Scissors, Multipurpose Grooming Kit. Introducing the LIVINGO Premium Manicure Scissors. This versatile grooming kit is designed for all your beauty needs. It's perfect for nails, eyebrows, and more. Made with sharp, stainless steel, this tool is built to last. The forging process makes it 3 times harder than regular steel, ensuring smooth and precise cuts. These scissors are incredibly versatile. With a blade width of 7.42 millimeters, they are ideal for cutting nails, dry skin, and grooming eyebrows, eyelashes, and beards. It can even handle eyelid stickers. The curved tip design allows for precise cutting at any angle. This makes it perfect for detailed grooming tasks, giving you the control you need. The mirror finish not only looks great but also makes it easy to clean and store. This ensures its longevity and maintains its premium appearance. Each product undergoes independent testing to guarantee the performance you expect. The company is committed to your satisfaction, ensuring a quality item. What we like. This multi-purpose tool is designed for various grooming tasks. Its curved blade ensures precise cutting at any angle. If you're looking for a versatile tool for nails, eyebrows, and more, you should consider this one. What people say. This scissors is sharp and cuts nails well. They work really well. Sharp and easy for seniors with arthritis to use. Number 4. 3 Swords Germany INOX Nail Scissors. Introducing the 3 Swords Germany INOX Nail Scissors. This is a high-quality tool designed for precise nail care. Made in Germany, it ensures durability and excellent performance. Crafted from stainless steel INOX, this nail scissor is built to last. The material is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring it remains in top condition for years to come. You can rely on it for consistent results. The curved blade design allows for easy and accurate trimming. It provides a comfortable grip and precise control. This design helps you achieve a clean and professional finish. Perfect for both manicure and pedicure. It is a versatile tool for maintaining your nails. This scissor is an essential addition to your nail care kit. This product is made in Germany, guaranteeing its quality. The craftsmanship ensures it meets the highest standards. You will experience the difference with every use. The nail scissors come with a protective case. This case keeps it safe and clean when not in use. It is convenient for storage and travel. What we like. These nail scissors are crafted in Germany with quality stainless steel. The curved blade design ensures precise nail care. If you value quality and precision in your nail care routine, this is the one for you. What people say. Sharp and precise, the curved design allows for perfect trimming and shaping of nails, especially around the cuticles. Stainless steel construction, feels premium and durable. I can tell these scissors will last for years. The handles fit nicely in my hand, making them easy to control. Number 3. Revlon Cuticle Scissors. Introducing the Revlon Cuticle Scissors. This tool is designed for precise and easy trimming of cuticles and hangnails. It's a must-have for your nail care routine. The scissors feature ultra-fine, curved blades. This design allows for accurate and safe trimming. You'll find it easy to use. Made from durable, tempered stainless steel, it's built to last. This ensures the tool remains sharp and effective for a long time. Use this tool specifically for cuticles and hangnails. Trimming nails with it may dull the blades. It's perfect for maintaining healthy nails. Revlon beauty tools meet exacting design and quality standards. This ensures exceptional performance every time you use it. Get yours today. What we like. The ultra-fine, curved blades provide accurate and easy trimming. Made from durable stainless steel, it's designed for safe nail care. If you need a tool specifically for cuticles and hangnails, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great for cuticles. Very sharp. I use them to safely trim small children's nails. The cuticle scissors are comfortable to use and the actual blade are moderately curved and very thin, which makes them perfect to trim cuticles. Number 2. Nail scissors, multipurpose grooming scissors. These small scissors are designed for various grooming tasks. They are perfect for cuticles, shaping false eyelashes, and trimming facial hair. It's a versatile tool for both men and women. The fine points allow for precise cutting in hard-to-reach areas. The curved design improves visibility and accuracy. This makes it easy to achieve the desired look. The design ensures a comfortable grip and control. The rounded finger holes provide a secure hold without pinching. This allows for smooth cutting action and minimizes strain. Made from stainless steel, this tool is durable and easy to clean. The blades are finely honed and hand-polished. It's an essential tool for beauty and personal care. This is a must-have for anyone who wants to maintain their appearance. It's suitable for various grooming needs. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This multi-purpose scissor is designed with curved and sharp blades. The comfortable grip allows for improved visibility and accuracy. If you need a versatile tool for various grooming needs with a comfortable design, you should consider it. What people say. Very sturdy and well made. Sharp and compact. These are very sharp and perfect to trim in between the paws of dogs to get the fur removed quickly and safely. Number 1. Solingen Curved Cuticle Scissors, Precision German Steel. These Solingen scissors are crafted with precision German steel. It's designed for a lifetime of precise cutting, ensuring you get the best results every time. Hand-sharpened in Solingen, Germany, the blades offer exceptional sharpness. This feature allows it to cut with ease and accuracy, making grooming tasks simple. The curved tip design provides versatility for various grooming needs. This allows the user to cut at any angle and shape, perfect for cuticles, nails, and more. This tool is perfect for multiple uses. Whether it's cuticles, nails, eyebrows, or even beards, it's designed to handle all your grooming needs. The included case is both elegant and practical. It's perfect for travel or home use, keeping the scissors safe and easily accessible. What we like. These scissors feature extra sharp blades produced in Solingen, Germany. The precision German steel ensures a lifetime of cutting. If you are looking for a high-quality, precise cutting tool with a handy case, you should consider this one. What people say. The thin, curved blades are perfect for getting close to your work to snip the ends of threads. Works very well to cut thick nails. Seems durable, well-made, and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.